Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for coming in. In today's video, I am sharing with you guys how I created these beautiful wall arts using some Poundland photo frames. Quick and simple. Keep watching guys to see how I created these. So here I've got some 4x6 photo frames, and I got these in Poundland as I said before, and they comes 2 in a pack. And all I needed for this DIY was these photo frames and my glue gun, and I used E6000 glue as well. And these were very simple and quick to put together. So hope you guys enjoy watching this little DIY. I appreciate you guys. Thank you for stopping in. And if you like this video guys, if you like my DIY, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up, and also like, comment and subscribe if you are not already a part of the family. Thank you very much guys. Keep watching and you will see how I created these.